Hi guys, so today we are diving into the aromatic and flavorful world of chicken pulao. This classic Indian dish is one pot wonder, bursting with fragrant rice, tender chicken and a symphony of spices. It's perfect for a weekend night or a special occasion. In this video I'm gonna show you step-by-step process of making this chicken pulao in your own kitchen. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Also do share my recipes with your friends and family so that they also can try these delicious recipes at home. So now grab your aprons, gather all your ingredients and let's get cooking this chicken pulao. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first, in a hot pan, add 2 tablespoons ghee or clarified butter. Then add 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, 6 cloves, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 3 bay leaves, 1 black cardamom, 2 teaspoon cumin seeds and fry it for a few seconds. Then add 1 onion chopped and fry it until it is nice and soft. Then add 1 tomato chopped, 3 green chilies, 3 carrots cut in small cubes and then fry it until the carrots are nice and soft. Then add 1 kg chicken cut in medium pieces. Add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon fennel seed powder, 2 teaspoon cumin powder. Add some salt to taste, half cup yogurt and then fry the masalas and yogurt for 5 minutes. Make sure that the chicken is cooked nicely with the yogurt and the masalas. Then cover it and cook it for about 10 minutes. Then give it a nice mix. And then cover it again and cook it for about 10 minutes. Then give it a nice mix. And then add 2 cups basmati rice washed and soaked for about 10 minutes. Then cook the rice for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 3 cups hot water. Add 5 stock cubes, 1 tablespoon lemon juice and give it a nice mix. And then cover it and cook the rice for about 70%. Then give it a nice mix. As you can see that the water is still there. Then add half cup brown onion, add handful of chopped coriander leaves and give it a nice mix. Make sure that the flame is on low at this point. Then cover it and cook it until the rice is fully cooked. And there you have it guys, our delicious chicken pulao. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know in the comment how yours turned out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes. This chicken pulao is a must try. It's easy to make and packed with flavor. I have plenty more delicious recipes coming your way. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.